Okay, I am doing this very conceitedly in the mirror. But this is in remembrance of Miss Etta James. Rest in peace, shouty. I'm gonna do her song, Church Bells, with the twist of Beyonce style. It's from Cadillac Records. Jamar. No. Here's the regular record. Okay, here we go. I heard church bells ringing, and I heard a choir singing. I saw my love walk down the aisle on her finger. He placed a ring. Oh, I saw them holding hands. She was standing there with my man. I heard the promise till death do us part, and each word was a pain in my heart. And all I could do is cry. All I could do was cry. I was losing the man that I loved, and all I could do was cry. And now the wedding is over. The rice has been thrown over their heads. For them, life has just begun. But mine, it isn't dead. And